Yo, it's Wednesday, September 1st. We're at a bank. We got coffee. I'm about to show you what we got going on. We got a couple of people coming. They're coming late, but we'll get it done. Zoom in on her with that coffee.
Keeps us geeked.
Yeah, nice. We're recording doing the install. We're installing new TVs and stuff like that on YouTube. You're gonna be on YouTube now. You're gonna be a YouTube star. I'll send you, before you leave, I'll give you our YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
So you can see what we did today. We'll have you unloaded and stuff. You can say, yeah, I was there. Just the channel's got like 3 views, so. We got like 6 subscribers, so hey, it's gonna be viral.
Don't worry.
Band in here. Is it double-sided?
Yes, double-sided.
Yep. Yeah, I say I'll put my name on there, Ben.
All right, thank you.
I'll let you know when the episode comes out because you'll be on it. Thank you. Okay, Kobe. You're gonna be in charge of photos tonight, so take a photo of this front and back before we rip it out. You want this?
Shit.
Yep.
Oh, okay, that one.
Yep. Okay.
What are we gonna try?
We're just gonna leave it like this for now, and then we'll move the new rack into where the old rack was. Keep pulling, Kobe. Okay, hold on. There we go. Oh, hold on. Okay. Just make sure it's facing right. All right, now, need your Phillips again. This is gonna go on my truck later. This is, it's like an Allen, but you see it has the hole in there. So this doesn't show you it, but some of these will have a tip there. So if you try to stick a regular Allen, it won't work. So it has this little hole right here. Hold on. Okay, push it towards me so you can get the drill on.
Ready?
Yep. Dude,
Where's
where is Art?
It takes a long time in there.
Yo, did you fall in? Did you fall in? Wait, so I didn't tip over while they're waiting. Okay, so these speakers, Billy, these are called sound masking speakers. And the last ones, they have different styles. Some cut in to the drop ceiling like the regular speakers do, you know? But these ones, they just run off Cat 5, and all they do is make a noise that goes that's it. It sounds like just hissing. And these are gonna hang above the ceiling tile. They make that white noise sound. So when you're in there, that person in this cubicle can't hear you talking over here in this cubicle. All it does is shoot sound down so you can't ear hustle from one side to the other. Wow. So if you're talking your social and your bank account or whatever, they don't hear you.
I have my tool bags around here somewhere, and all the guys would come in and be like, oh, I need a flush cutter, or I need a tamper proof. And I'm like, oh, here. And then I don't get nothing back. So I started wrapping everything in pink electrical tape, and now they send that shit back. They're like, oh, here. I'm like, yeah, it has pink electrical tape on it. That shit's mine.
You're probably tired of getting made fun of at the...
I know, I was like, bring it back. He pulls out a pink tamper proof. I'm like, like a little evil about it.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Are you taking two? Hell yeah.
No, just
You can take the other, but you only got one box.
For real?
You want two?
Shit, say less.
Now we don't even have to pay him. I'm just kidding. He's like, wait, what about that night? We're like, we gave you TVs. You're like, they were free. That was a backfire, huh?
How I remember, like, the orange, you know, usually you see construction workers got their orange, and you got the brown, not to be racist or nothing, but you got the essays over here. And usually this is the blue, we used to say purple, so it's Watt Street Cribs, and they getting the money, so the green is on the outside of the blue, but right in this case it's purple, but you got, you know, you got your stripe, white, solid orange, and this right here, you got your solid over here at the end, stripe. But right here in the middle, the blue's the only one that's different, where the solid is first, and the stripe is on the opposite side. And then again, the stripe, and then solid. But it's the green, the money, the gangsters crib they get, and then you got your essays over in this corner. And you have the
there you go.
That's in that corner.
So what you're saying is...
I knew it was gonna fuck her up.
What do I...
Yeah, okay, let's see if we can remember
these
this.
are the gangsters who are getting the money.
Yeah.
And in one corner they have their essays. Okay. And then this side,
The
there's the construction guys that are
Exactly.
making shit happen.
Right.
Say that
Exactly.
You're fucking retarded. Listen, it goes essays, construction, money, the gangsters. I don't understand what you don't get about this. Tech tips with Billy.
Cobble, we're gonna need your gulk strength. So we need your gulk strength to help us slide this bad beaver bitty up. There you go. Pull it up. Okay. Now hold on. Grab the bottom of this, Cobble. All right, Kobe.
Kobe's the tallest, he's coming right
It
here.
has to stay on the side. Okay, can you guys hold it? Turn it over. Just let it go. It's all right. It's all right. I'm gonna hop up there.
You fucking
Hold it.
scary sketch motherfucker.
Hold on. I'm gonna get up there.
There's shit hanging above me.
It's on shelves. Okay. You guys gonna slide it towards me? Okay. Now, keep going.
Be careful, watch the end.
Watch out. Woo. All right, it's 10:30. We're cleaning up. We got B here again. We got my boy Billy here. We got Art. We pre-wired all sound masking speakers. They're up. We're almost out of here. See you guys in the next one. Later.